Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our computer class. Today, we will continue our sixth lesson, more on MS Word. Dear students, in our previous class, we were discussing about the options of Insert tab and Page Layout tab. Now we are going to learn about SmartArt Graphic and Chart. First topic is SmartArt Graphic. SmartArt Graphic is a graphical visual representation of informations. By using this option, we can create list, process, cycle, hierarchy, matrix, and pyramid diagrams, etc. These options are located on the Illustrations group in the Insert tab. Let's learn how to insert a SmartArt graphic in a document. For that, open MS Word document and click on Insert tab. Then click on SmartArt option from the Illustrations group. Now we can see a dialog box. From this, select any one of the option. Here we select hierarchy option. From this hierarchical list, choose any one of the option. Then click on OK button. Now we can see that the SmartArt diagram is inserted into the current document. Now let's learn how to insert a text into a SmartArt. For that, open a SmartArt diagram. Then select a shape that we want to enter text. Then we can enter the text of the left pan. At the same time, we can see the text is also present in that selected shape. Similarly, we can enter the text in all shapes. Now, we are going to learn how to change the color of SmartArt. For that, click on Change Color option on the SmartArt Style group. We can see a dialog box with a list of colors group. Then select any one option from the list. Now the color of the SmartArt graphic is converted into the selected color. Then let's learn how to change the graphic style of the SmartArt graphic. For that, click on SmartArt Style option from the Design tab. We can see a dialog box with a list of style options. Select any one of the style option from the list. Now we can see that the style of SmartArt graphic is converted into the selected style. We can also change the layout of SmartArt. For that, open a graphic and select it. Then click on Layout option from the Design tab. Here we can see a dialog box with a list of layout options. Select the option that we want to add. Now the layout of SmartArt graphic is converted into the selected layout style. Next topic is chart. A chart is a pictorial representation of tabular numeric data. Chart is a great way to present data in an easy and convenient manner. Some examples of commonly used charts are area chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and column chart. Chart options are available on the Illustrations group in the Insert tab. To insert a chart in our document, follow the given steps. Click on the Insert tab and select Chart option from the group. Now we can see an Insert Chart window. From this window, we can select a category of chart. Then click on OK button. Now the selected chart will be inserted in our document with an Excel worksheet. It displays a sample data of a worksheet. Here we can enter data in the worksheet and it will be automatically updated. And when we completed entering data, we can close the Excel worksheet. That is known as modifying data on a chart. Now, let's learn how to add a title to a chart. For that, open a chart and click on Chart Title option. Then, click on Labels group in the Layout tab. Now, a text box will appear. In that text box, we can enter the title of the chart that we want. Then, let's learn how to modify a chart type. Chart type means to change the type of a chart without changing the data. For that, click on Change Chart Type option from the Design tab. We can see a Chart Type option dialog box and select a chart type from the list. We can see a new chart without changing the data. Next one is how to modify chart style. For that, select a chart, then click on Design tab. Then again click on Chart Style options. Now we can see a Chart Style option dialog box. Then select any one of the style. We can also edit the data of a chart after its creation by using Edit Data option from the Design tab. Dear students, let's wind up. Thank you and have a nice day.